Amapolisa aseDoornkop abambe abarhanelwa ababini aza afumana imipu esixhenxe engenamaphepha kunye neembumbulu ezininzi ngexesha lomsebenzi wokuqinisa ugcino-mthetho eLouwfereng ngoMvulo. Amapolisa athi abone imoto erhanelekayo aze ayimisa, abamba amadoda amabini ngelixa amanye amane ebalekile kwindawo yesiganeko. Abasemagunyeni bathi uphando lokuqala ludibanisa abarhanelwa nokuphangwa kweshishini eForchville.
At about 7:30 in the morning of the 23rd of February 2026, the police in Doornkop were patrolling around Louwfereng area when they came across a suspicious-looking Toyota Hilux with about 6 occupants that include 2 women and 4 men. Upon noticing the police, 4 of the suspects jumped out of the vehicle and fled the scene. 2 men aged 42 and 50 were arrested. The suspects were searched and one of them was found in possession of 2 unlicensed pistols. The police searched the vehicle and recovered unlicensed firearms and ammunition that include 3 rifles, 2 shotguns, and 97 live ammunition that comprises of 68 rifle rounds, 21 pistol rounds, and 8 shotgun rounds. The police also recovered 48 packets of cigarettes, a bolt cutter, and a crowbar. Police preliminary investigations revealed that the suspects are linked to a business robbery which was committed at Forchville on the 9th of the 23rd of February 2026. The arrested suspects will appear at the local magistrate court soon, facing charges of business robbery, possession of unlicensed firearms and ammunition. Police investigations are continuing.